Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Joga Rao. Are you suffering from power cuts? Your time will be wasted with power cuts. Are you planning to buy a new inverter? Are you confusing with selection of suitable inverter? Do you have any idea? Whenever you go to inverter shop, the shopkeeper confusing you or bargaining more money from you, you don't worry, be relaxed. Now I am going to explain the selection of suitable inverter for your home. So please don't skip this video and watch till the end, then you will become the kingmaker. I will explain in a way that the common man can understand. If anyone has technical doubts, please post in the comment box, then I will reply you. Before going to this topic, first of all, you know that what is an inverter. Inverter is a device which supplies AC power to the appliances during power cuts. Basically, inverter unit is a combination of inverter plus battery. So that we need to know about both inverter and battery. Now let us see how to select the right inverter for your home. For that, please understand and follow these simple 4 steps. Step 1. Understand your power requirement. Step 2. Estimate the backup time during power cuts. Step number 3. Calculate inverter capacity. Step number 4. Estimate the battery capacity. Now I am going to explain these simple 4 steps. Step number 1. First you understand your power requirement. Power requirements means how many electrical home appliances you want to run during power cuts. The general estimated power consumption of common appliances as, for example, fan 50 watts, tube light 15 watts, LED bulb 8 watts, TV 120 watts, like that. Suppose you want to run 2 fans, 2 tube lights, 3 LED bulbs and 1 television. Then the total power requirement is 2 into 50 watts plus 2 into 15 watts plus 3 into 8 watts plus 1 into 120 watts. So total power requirement is 274 watts. So you need an inverter which can support 274 watts power. Step number 2. Estimate the backup time during power cuts. The next biggest question is how much backup time you want. Actually, it is depends on yours, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, etc. Say you want to estimate the backup time is 5 hours. Let us assume. Now please keep in your mind the power requirement is 274 watts and backup time is 5 hours. Now go to step number 3. Step number 3 is calculate inverter capacity. An inverter capacity is measured in volt amperes or simply VA rating. The VA rating of an inverter is equals to power consumption in watts by power factor. Just you remember VA rating formula. We aware of the power requirement, but what about power factor? We don't bother about power factor because the average value of power factor is taken as 0.8. Technically, no further information is required. Just you remember the average power factor is 0.8 because our channel is more focused on the common people. Already we have calculated the power consumption is 274 watts and power factor as 0.8. Therefore, VA rating of an inverter is simply 274 by 0.8. That equals to 342.5 volt amperes. Normally, the ratings like 300 VA, 400 VA, 500 VA and 600 VA, etc. capacity inverters are available in the market. The nearest inverter with matching need is 400 VA. Therefore, 400 VA inverter is sufficient for your home. It means 400 VA capacity inverter is required for 274 watts power consumption. Now coming to step number 4. Step number 4 is calculate the battery capacity. Actually, the battery is most important and is the backbone of an inverter system. Generally, the battery capacity is measured in ampere hours or simply H. The battery capacity formula is total power consumption in watts into backup time in hours by battery voltage. Already we have calculated the total power requirement is 274 watts and taken backup time as 5 hours. Then what about battery voltage? Please note that the battery voltage as 12 volts because the most of the battery manufacturing companies design battery voltage as 12 volts. Now calculate the battery capacity. The battery capacity is equals to 274 into 5 by 12. That equals to 114 ampere hours. In the market, 90 Ah, 100 Ah, 135 Ah, 150 Ah, etc. capacity batteries are readily available. The nearest battery with matching need is 135 Ah. Therefore, 135 Ah battery is more suitable for you. So finally, if you want to run 2 fans, 2 tube lights, 3 LEDs and 1 TV with 5 hours backup time during power cuts, then you need 400 VA capacity inverter along with 135 Ah battery. If you understand these simple tips, you will be safe from the misleading information given by the shopkeeper and also save money. I hope this video is more helpful to you. Please support me. Please encourage me. I will do more videos for the benefits of the common people in the future. Please do like, share and comment. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. We can't change the past, but we can make the future. Thanks for watching.